Okay, so you want to install this wastebasket.
No.
Are you sick of having your wastebasket sit out? Are you sick of having to tape the organic trash lid because the cats keep on getting into it? Well, no worries. You can install one of these. Not the cat, the wastebasket's there. So our first step is going to be taking the door off. So we're gonna take these screws out of the hinges. I already took one out. We just take this out here. Next, we're gonna finish taking these hinges off the door. No longer need them. The door will be fastened to the front of this. It's nice if you have a little bit of help, like a curious cat. Well, actually, something that actually helps. You see, they're very curious. But they don't help a whole lot. So next, since this cabinet did have a drawer in it, don't need it anymore, well, would rather have the waste baskets in there, we are going to uninstall this. Which you just take it out, take the glides out. So the glides are simply back these screws out, and then so we have this glide here that's gonna sit in the cabinet, and we just have to screw it down into the frame. So I put the glides in here, and our frame is 14 3/4, which would be nice if they were 15 at least, but it will work at 14 3/4. So now I'm just putting the screws down there. Okay, I put the screws in, glides are straight. There's a little gizmo here that allows you to give a little bit of adjustment to the door. So normally, if your opening is big enough, you would just slide these out, fasten the door to it. But since our opening is not big enough, we're gonna take these off and put our screw just right through the wood, drill a hole, and on into the frame. Okay, I took off those these things, and I drilled holes here, down there, and we're going to fasten it to the door using some screws. If you're especially lucky and have a helper like this, he'll also get in the way. So we put screws in, and the door is on. Hopefully it's in the middle. Just a few minutes later, and we have the door on there. Put the baskets in, and done.